Hey everyone, this is Isaac. If you ever wanted to start animating 2D or 3D animations using After Effects, opened up the software and didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Adobe After Effects is the industry standard tool for motion graphics, visual effects, and compositing. It's what professionals use to create animated titles, logo reveals, character animations, particle effects, and full 3D scenes. You see it everywhere. YouTube intros, TV broadcasts, music videos, and even blockbuster films. For this intro, let's do a quick practical tour of the interface, so you know exactly what each part does and why it matters. Here is a default workspace. At the top, you have the menus and the toolbar. The toolbar is where you grab tools like the selection tool for moving stuff, shape tools for drawing masks or vectors, the text tool, pen tool, and more. You'll use these constantly when building anything. To the left, you have your project panel. This is your asset library. Import footage, images, audio, solids, everything. Keeping it organized saves you hours later when projects get big. In the center, you have Composition Viewer. This is your main preview window. What you see here is exactly what will render. You watch playback, scrub through it, and make visual decisions here. At the bottom is the timeline. This is the heart of After Effects. Layers stack from top to bottom. Time runs left to right. You add keyframes here to animate properties, parent layers, and adjust timing. Almost all animation work happens in the timeline. On the right, you have stacked panels. The most important ones are effects and presets, where you can search and apply hundreds of built-in effects and presets instantly. And that's the layout. Nothing fancy. Just know where these core areas are and you won't feel lost. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.